Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a repository in GitHub. If you ever need to rename your repository on GitHub, the process is pretty much straightforward. Go to the main page of the repository you want to rename. Click the Settings tab on the right side of the navigation bar. Under the General section, look for the repository name field near the top. Simply type your new desired name in that field. Once done, click Rename. GitHub will automatically update all internal links within the platform. But keep in mind that any existing local clones or external URLs may need to be updated manually to match the new name. You can do this in your local repository by using the git remote set URL origin command with the updated repository URL. And that's it. Your GitHub repository now has a new name without affecting its commits, branches, or issues. And that's how to rename a repository in GitHub.